Hello everyone. Today's video we have brought you new reliable EA that is called Metaverse MT4 EA. And this EA basically, the strategy behind this EA is basically martingale. I know the martingale is a bit risky, but to be honest, today the market is risky because you see the market is really unstable and volatile because during wars and conflict it can become extremely unpredictable. So if you are having any losses or any decrease in your capital, well, it is quite normal to be honest because that's how market work. So you have to be careful to decrease your risk and not gamble your money. Because whenever this wave of instability is over, the market will turn into your favor, but you have to be quite patient. So many people came to me and say, well, we are losing money, we don't know what to do with EA. Listen, today most of the EA are failing to do a good performance. That's because we have wars. The market is quite unstable. It cannot be predictable, not by any EA. So you have to consider that and always try to limit your risk and use do not trade during the news or whenever there is a conflict. You have to stop for at least a week. So hopefully in next month this noise and this craziness passes by and we try to get our EA work again and get profit. So today EA we have Metaverse EA. This expert advisor work on 5 minute one chart on the gold. So we know that even the gold is not really stable these days. The price is going crazy, but it is impressive how this EA is performing so far. So the EA does use martingale. It increases from, it starts with 0.1 and it increases 0.2 and it increases one lot size, which is okay, but you have to be careful. Any martingale EA is a bit risky. So it trade all the time. Minimum account balance, it is recommended to use 500 to 1k account. According to the creator of this EA, it is recommended to use ECM broker because the gold is comedy, which many broker have higher spread on the gold. So Fusion Market, I use it personally. It is reliable. It has low spread on the gold, so I recommend that. Leverage, it has to be 1 to 500 or 100 at least. So that has been said. Let us go to the main page of the EA. Here we can see it say that it has tell you that this EA analyzed from 80% of database and 20% of broker data. So it does not rely on the broker data, which is quite good point. News filter, it is amazing. With the latest version it has news filter that will kinda help our trading journey. And you can see here it says that it is fully auto EA, no need to be set. Okay, it is martingale as we said, and it says basically try to work on all broker. So there is doesn't matter if your broker has different price from another broker, it will be same strategy, which is impressive. So main feature for this EA, no parameter, there is no set, it is just default. We have one chart, it is gold. It will filter the news, so whenever there is strong news it will probably not trade. Can manage any capital more than 2k. Of course that is a little bit disadvantage, but I think it can also manage $500 and 1k. 1k is optimal. I mean I probably would start with 1k. So we have special feature, which is it will get trend from the database. The database is several brokers, so it will analyze 80% of this broker and 20% from your own broker. So whenever it decide to whether buy or sell, it will depend on many database of the price, so it is quite impressive. Now let us go to the reviews. It seems that reviews are positive for this EA. We have some positive review, and you can see the comments. It say that some people are using it for Forex, for other charts, but I think the gold is maybe more stable. For this EA we can see the reliability is 5-star, and algo trading is 100%. The maximum drawdown is 9.3%, which is very important to have lower drawdown. The gain is 55%. So you can see he tried to deposit and withdraw, and now he is only trading on his profit, which I always recommend. Whenever you have martingale EA, try whenever it hit the gain hit 50%, try to withdraw your profit and let the withdraw your capital and let the profit work for you. So whenever there is a hit, you don't get hurt anyway. So we can see that through month of October it has amazing performance. You can see December, January, February, March. You see, at these 3 months the market was absolutely crazy. The market was unstable and many EAs failed to generate profit, including night scalpers, including many martingale, but this EA has kept making profit, which is very good indicator. If it can passes this 3 months of instability, perhaps it will continue to make profit during the if it can passes this 3 months of instability, it means it will keep making profit perhaps to the next year. So the average holding time is 3 hours. That's good. It does not let the trade to be on. It does not hold the trade 24 hours, which is good indicator. The less time it holds, the better the EA is. So you can see the drawdown is quite low, but here we have at February. I think this peak happened because there is wars and conflict. I don't know, but perhaps this is the reason. And otherwise, you can see it is stable. The EA, you can see it uses martingale, of course, and it uses averaging as well. The profit trades are better than the losing one. Yeah, I mean, okay, I think this is so far is good EA, not really bad, but you have to be careful and manage your risk. So can I recommend this EA? I don't really know. I think it is a good one. I probably going to test it on my live account, perhaps. I don't know. I will see what's happened and I will let you know. So we grab the EA. You can see there is no set or setting for this EA. All is default. You just click on OK, and you can see it will connect into the database. So the Metaverse logo is moving to the left. That means the EA is working. So we have to input the link into URL, so it is index that it try to get the database from. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. Please be careful, the market is unstable these days. If you have any question or anything, let me know, and thank you for watching.